In one more question, as it is given, calculate the distance between A, which is having the coordinates as 7, 3, and the point B on the x-axis whose abscissa is 11. Now again we have to find out the distance, but the language says that there is a point which is having the coordinates as 7, 3, and there's another point B which is lying on the x-axis. So children, as I've told you in one of my videos, that if a point is lying on the x-axis, then its ordinate part will be 0 and the abscissa part will be the point where the point is lying on the x-axis. So fortunately they have given us the abscissa value as 11. So the first point A is having the coordinates as 7, 3, and the second point will be having the coordinates as 11, 0 because the value of the abscissa is given to us. And by the concept that if a point is lying on the x-axis, then the ordinate part is 0, then in that case the complete coordinate for this B point will be 11, 0. So it's very simple to find out the distance between the 2 points for which the coordinates are given. So the distance between AB will be under root. Again, we are going to consider any one point as x1 and y1 and the other point as x2 and y2. So I'm considering this point as x2 and y2 and the first point as x1 and y1. So the formula says under the root sign, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is actually x2, so 11 minus x1, that is 7. So the first part will be 11 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1, because y2 is actually 0, so it will be 0 minus 3 whole square. As you know, 11 minus 7 is actually 4 and it will be 4 square under the root sign, plus 0 minus 3 is actually going to give us minus 3 and that will be minus 3 whole square. Now 4 square is equal to 16 and minus 3 square, because it is a negative quantity, its square is going to give us plus 9. Then under the root sign it will be 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So therefore root 25 will be how much? That will be equal to 5 units. That means the distance between these 2 points is 5 units.